come true. I went and got my eyebrows threaded. It looked like she cut me. I better not have no scab, but and the arch seems like mad defined right here. Oh yes, I'm one of them people when I get my eyebrows done. Like, I'm pretty, like, she does a better job than most people here do. That's why I always go to her, because I'll be satisfied for the most part when she does it. I just, you know, have my critiques here and there. Say hey, babe.
It was good.
I've gotten my eyebrows done. We verified that the tree place is there. We're about to get some Wendy's. Then we're going to find a tree base. And then we're going to go get Jolie. So, see you in a little bit.
I keep eating you. Cheese.
Okay, so I made a tradition last year that we all have personalized ornaments, and this one is for Yuri because my grandma calls him Captain, and this one looks like a captain. We got some ornaments. We're getting Christmas stand. Where'd you put the Yoda, baby? Where'd you put the Yoda? And then babe got the Yoda because that's his one of his favorites. So we got the base for the Christmas tree. We're gonna go to get the Christmas tree later.
These are like the bigger ones.
Like this one.
Yeah,
The thick. These things be having bugs in them.
No, not from what I've, like, every time we've got one.
Say hey. No, come turn. Say hey. You like that one?
It's gonna be bigger.
Huh?
That's nice. See, a lot of times the one they have over here, sometimes they be kind of, it may be flat on the back end, but it depends on like your angle. We always get like the little discount.
Okay.
Stand?
Yeah, we
just went and got one from Target. You know, you gotta keep it watered. That's a nice one. I like this one. It's like because you get some. You see, like you got these needles, and you got these type of needles. It's a different type. You like this one?
Yeah, I like it. Jolie, do you like the tree?
Pull it all the way out. So you see what they're gonna have to do. They're gonna have to trim down the bottom because that's a lot of. See what I'm saying?
I think he's waiting on you.
Oh, yeah, right there.
Then they put in the tree on it. And then there's a fire pit over there. Huh?
Spin the way less.
You said what?
It's way less.
Oh.
1 second.
Huh?
1 second.
Okay.
40.
You put your hand in the tree, Jolie. You want to go stand by the fire, the warm air? Okay, come on, let's go stand by the warm air. And then there's like a little fire pit, which makes it nice and warm.
When I get off tomorrow.
All right. We'll see y'all tomorrow sometime.
All right, see you guys.
All right. Bye, Jolie.
Hi, Jolie. Bye, Yuri. All right, Cornell. Appreciate your growth.
You put the tree on the car. Ooh. Guys, this is my first year with a real tree. Welcome back to my channel. We are back with another video and we're getting our tree together. We went to Target and bought some decorations and we went to find our tree. So it's so excited. So funny, and Jolie's little hair is sticking up in the bags. From the back, from the back to the back.
Yeah, you can do that.
Cause I can put it.
Alright. The boys around. Yay, boy.
What happened?
Yay,
It didn't look this full the last time we wrapped it.
yay, 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 yay.
Okay.
Okay, yay. Yay.
Well, you can
Yay.
do it
Yay. Yay.
Jolie, let me see the other side of your hair. Turn. Turn. Ooh. Okay, we're in the process of doing her hair. Don't mind it. Ooh.
No.
Because there's not enough light right up over here, so it's not like getting it good.
Cause you see, it looked like it just came up. It wasn't even showing right there, right?
Yeah,
I think it's just messing with us. And then when you look at it, it looked like it's twinkling.
Okay, so y'all see it looks better up close because I guess it was trying to play games, so.
Yeah, I know I wasn't tripping. Well, we wasn't even tripping. All right, come on, DJ. Let's finish.
You pushing your way?
Yeah.
He need to be changed.
I don't know how to do it.
Children are bad. There's this one kid,
You want to do it right
it was around Christmas, and him and his mom were hanging up Christmas ornaments, but the glass ones.
Oh, don't take it from me.
Yeah.
I was waiting. Yeah.
You gotta turn it upside down. You got it upside down. There you go.
Good job, big sister Jolie.
Yeah.
Put that red one
I got
like in this
Double.
area right over here. Because there's like two like open ones.
this obvious.
Oh man, this is gonna be Jolie's first Christmas.
Yep.
And Jolie's third. Yeah.
Under what?
Oh, you need one?
Yep.
Look at this dude.
Thank you.
You hungry? Let mommy stick one more on here, baby.
So this.
Here, look at this side, look. That boy don't care.
He said, man, you doing all this extra stuff. I want some food.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now I haven't got another one. I got another red one. No, not this one. Okay.
Georgina, a master decorator.
She had a certain amount she was gonna be delegating today.
For real.
Yeah, nuts. Yeah, you must not know.
You did?
When we did the tree last year.
Okay, so when you do it like that, you did a good job, right? You gotta leave the top one folded, but you have to
I
finish
like
the
that
bottom.
tree. It was all white. It looked
You
really
leave the
nice.
top
Yeah.
one.
I think I'm gonna put it up over there in my desk area so it can be shown in my YouTube videos.
That's this one
We
or the
put
white
right
one?
here.
The white one.
Yeah, I like the white one a lot.
Despite the fact that it was just really girly.
Yeah. And all the
Wait, was
leaf-
you answering me? Oh, I asked which one should I put right here, and then grab the white one.
Can you do some more on this side? This side looking a little bare.
What are we gonna put on the top?
We don't have anything for the top yet.
Oh.
Do you think they put the star on top of the tree because of when the Magi were coming, they used the stars to track down Jesus? You think that's why they put the star?
Them did it.
I couldn't even tell you.
I think that's why they put the star on the tree.
Did I remember the baby? You know Velda the baby?
Velda?
No, Velda.
Oh, Velda? Yeah. That, you know Walash's?
Yes.
Yeah, that's his baby.
Oh, I didn't even know he had a child.
You didn't? Oh.
Oh,
Yeah, they brought her over
that's
here
his
last
baby.
Sunday.
How old is the baby?
Like a couple months or weeks. I don't know. It's either between weeks or
Yeah.
Everybody can grab their ornaments. Yuri's holding his. Baby, are you coming for the ride?
Now you got it stuck in your head. Let me take it from you.
Yay! Yay! That boy like got my head bumping on